Hello, sir. You're hungry? Oh, lie. Go ahead.
Kumusta tayo? Kumusta? Ha? Kabuti?
Wala. Oh.
Bisaya?
Kasaya? Oh. You're welcome, sir. I thought you couldn't talk for a minute. Yes. Enjoy. God bless. All right. We weren't fully set up yet. We're here looking for the lady. We're gonna chat with her and see how she's doing, but she's not here at the moment. And Carlos, he's not here either. We might be a little bit late because the sun, 12 o'clock now, so it's very hot here now. So yeah, oh yeah, Lila's here. Found a little baby kitten. So it's getting grown up. It was just, if you guys remember on a previous video, we did show the kitten. Well, now they're getting grown up. Anyway, so Carlos ain't here right now. The other lady's not here right now. We're not sure where she is. Just somebody came walking by saying they're hungry. So we gave him a pasta. He wasn't real talkative. So we'll go on down the road in search of some more. We're going to catch a jeepney and head to Ross Boulevard. See you over there. Hello, sir.
Morning.
Kumusta? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, food.
Okay.
Bring some pasta. Oh.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Kaya?
Yes. How old are you, sir?
I think you're already 65. 65.
65? Okay.
62.
62.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, looks like you have some wounds on your feet.
All right.
The diabetes or
No.
just...
What do you call this? Mosquito bite.
Oh, that's from mosquito. And then
Oh, yeah.
I scratches.
Yeah. Where
because
are you?
Saan kayo?
Ha?
here, talk to him. Like,
Ano?
Saan kayo?
Iikot lang kami. Para ano? Magbigay ng pagkain. Saan kaya? Walang sugat siya? Nakagat siya ng lamok? Ano? Kakamutin niya. Nasusugat. Sensitive. Asan yan? Oh.
That's true.
Wow.
oh, how long have you're homeless? How long?
What?
How long have you been on the road street?
2 years.
2 years.
No. Because I'm a stowaway. We got a war with my... Ano ba yun sa English yun, ano?
Oh, talk in Tagalog. It's okay.
No.
Ano ko na? I-translate ko.
Hindi yung ano yung...
Oh, okay.
Balay.
Balay. In-laws.
Balay.
Oh, in-laws.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hate bird. That's why I go here.
Problem with the in-laws.
Yeah.
That makes sense. So you'd rather live here than the in-laws.
Oh.
Tapos we work here as a biker and biking boy.
Okay. It's a little coins here and there.
Para to get money, more money, para for the food.
Yes. Earn a little bit, buy some food.
So we're staying.
Right over here. Not too far.
Malapit lang.
We walk down the road We have a trolley and we look for the hungry.
Paano pala pag uulan? Saan kayo titilong?
Oo.
Ha?
No?
Saan ka titilong?
Pagka
Pag umuulan?
ulan na here in BDO Bank,
Uh-huh.
we to sleep there.
Oh, at night, okay.
Oh.
Sarado eh, sarado.
Lots of people sleeping there. Kasi there's no house also. There's
Oo.
Yes, homeless.
homeless.
Mahal na nga upa ng bahay eh.
Just gonna clip this here. There we go.
Mahal ang upa ng bahay. Hindi
It's a microphone.
Oo. Para makancel yung mga ingay.
Yan, libre, free sleep there. Kaya lang, the guard, wake up you early in the morning.
Oo, yun.
Mga 4 o'clock, 5
Oo.
o'clock.
Para hindi sila masita rin.
Oo, kasi sasabihin yan, wake up, kasi magbubukas na yung bangko. You transfer there, here, in... Ganun.
Ganyan ang buhay.
Ganun ang buhay.
At least they let you sleep there. You can stay dry when it rains at night. Oh, last night, mini rain.
Pero if it is not raining, dito kami, dito.
Yeah.
More airflow.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Presko.
Hindi, fresh.
Oo.
Fresh air.
Doon, mainit.
Okay.
Oh.
Mainit doon. Tsaka, second, yun, yung very early to wake up you.
Ito,
Hindi ka tulad dito.
pasawa.
Hindi ka tulad dito, kahit tanghaliin ka, okay lang.
Nadaanan kami natutulog na yun. Alas 12.
Oo.
Alas 12 natutulog na sila.
Sometimes, people has money, give us, para to take your coffee, take your breakfast.
So, sometimes they hear.
Yeah.
Some money.
And like that, ayuda, food. So, bali, nyo lang to, yung parang hobby niya.
Dati siyang homeless dan. Then,
I see. Bali, wife ka niya.
ha?
Wife ka niya.
Ako.
Nice.
All right. Oh, we got some more hungry here.
I think so.
Oh. Oh, we got some more hungry people showing up here. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, here you are, sir. Hope that helps. God bless.
Arizona mo.
Hey, darling.
Oh.
Hey, darling.
Johnny?
Oh, you asawa.
Your asawa. Oh. One more.
Oh, one for you, asawa. Thank you. Oh, you're hungry, huh? Here you are. You're. Ay, lie.
10 years.
Bye.
Very good.
Wait,
Wait
we'll
lang.
come back.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, here, ma'am.
Ang ganda ng tulugan mo ah.
Oh, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Bless.
Ano? Matagal ka na dito? Matagal ka na? Apo na buwan? Grabe. Anong yan? nangyari sa ano? Na, hindi na kayo mangungkahan?
Hello. Oh, food? No. Here, ma'am. Yes, you're welcome.
I think she's
That
shy.
one was off camera. Okay. God bless.
Back to him.
All right.
Nakilala niyo yun? Nakilala niyo? Oh,
Oh,
wala rin siyang bahay.
Mga ano yan, mga scavenger.
scavengers, yes. Yeah, they go in search of
Oo.
scrap.
Tapos,
Kain nila.
para bang kaya nila. Sometimes merong people na nagbibigay ng food and sometimes medicine.
Oh.
Yeah, medicine.
Oh, pagkata vitamin C.
Oh, you did.
Pero-
Usually we have vitamin C.
Pero, correct. Pero money, bihira.
Bihira. Kasi,
Bihira.
ano na naman.
Kasi wala eh. Kulit.
Hindi. Gibit talaga. Kasi tumas ng bilihin eh.
Oo, correct.
Hmm.
Saka iniisip nila, baka itong droga lang o pag-busy lang.
Bakit makakakuha sa ng droga?
Correct.
Bakit dapat magkain lang?
Always giving food.
Hmm. Yes.
Chinese, Korean,
Yung mga Chinese.
nagbibigay.
Matulungin yung Chinese eh.
Kaya hindi kami nagugutom dito.
Oo.
Hindi kami nagugutom. And mostly, merong yung sa Iglesia ni Cristo.
Iglesia ni Cristo.
Oo.
Tumutulong din.
Oo. Ano yun? Every weekend, nagbibigay yun.
They hand out the food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Every Thursday.
Interesting.
They come
Wow.
through here and hand it out.
Correct.
That's kind of what we do. We walk along with a trolley and we hand out food to the homeless, kind of like the church does.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And if we have a chance, we like to listen and hear the story.
Uh,
But a lot of people, they don't really want to talk. They're just
Yeah.
hungry.
uh,
Thank you for talking to us.
no problem. Thank you also.
Well, we have some more people to feed, so we're heading on down the road. We're gonna go Ross Boulevard.
Nice.
Yeah, so you're always here then.
Good. Almost we live here.
Okay,
Wow.
so well, next weekend we'll come out. We'll
Then
you can
vitamin C.
yes.
You can visit us here.
Oh, we will. We'll return. Bring you some little bit, some to eat.
Yeah.
Thanks for
If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Just give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Hello. We brought some food. Oh, it looks like you have some bread and a little bit of sabao. Just a little bit of pasta for you, sir. Oh. Oh, good with the peanut pie. Yes. So you're sleeping here? Oh. So I see you, Carson, and you're over on the other Carson. All right. Oh, you have a cute little kitty in there. Oh, you're real hungry. We're just gonna let them go with their business and eat. They're hungry. God bless. Yes. If you haven't yet, please take this time to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, please. It really helps this channel. Share the videos. God bless. Back to our. Okay, now. Oh, yeah. I cooked that. Thank you.
Hello! Mag-isa ka lang dyan? Mag-isa ka lang? Oh.
Hello. Get it in the camera. There you are, ma'am. God bless. Yes. God bless.
Ilang taon na kayo dyan natutulog? Bago? Bakit na nawalan kang titirahan? Nagimolis? Saan? Sa Meralco? Okay. This one of the Meralco.
Yeah.
The
Demolition, yes. Boston House. Yeah. All right.
libre! Namimigay kami sa mga nasalantaan. Yeah.
Tom.
Can I have two for me and for my husband?
Oh, yes.
And the others also?
Oh, they can come over and get, yes.
John, I dito dali. John!
One for your husband?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir.
Oh, yeah, here's something to eat for you.
Pasan. Ito pala,
Thank you very
ay, yung baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
May baby. There's a baby.
There, ano, other side.
There, we have no
okay.
water?
We'll go over that way.
Okay.
We'll head over to some more.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Yes, God bless. Yes. Oh, they have a child.
Wow! This is the baby.
Spoon for baby. You have a spoon for baby. Oh.
Ayan.
Oh,
Salamat!
thank you. You lost your payong, Lila.
Ah,
There's some more over there.
Okay.
See the kid? Oh, I see kids. Children, come. Young children. Oh, sir, come.
Apat kayo?
Good. Oh, no. Oh. Huh? Here. There you are.
There's one more.
Oh. No. I know, for the lady.
Yeah.
I give. Finish.
Here,
Oh, here,
nabigyan
ma'am.
na namin.
Thank you. God bless.
Kaya,
Okay. Come on, Lila, let's go.